Now, next topic is very important, and it's basically prevention versus treatment. Prevention versus treatment. What do I mean by that? So if someone is a young child, right, or someone is a young man and they don't really think that they have any emotional concerns, it's very important for them to condition their mindset right when everything is going well. Just like if you take care of your body when it's healthy, you will be able to take care of it. You will be stronger when some diseases or bacteria approaches you. So strengthening yourself emotionally and mentally, and strengthening your heart when things are going well is very important. So for those of the youth, the young men, the young children, it's very important for us to condition them right from the get-go. And this is something that Sheikh Muslim was mentioning last night about giving the right worldview to our children as they are growing up. Before you wait till they're 14, 16, and then they're bombarded by all these ideologies, if you give them and strengthen and condition the right mindset from the get-go, it will have much better results. And obviously we notice from the hadith and the nusus perspective, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as the Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam told us, that if you know Allah, if you remember Allah in times of ease, Allah will remember you in times of hardship. So if you invest in your relationship with Allah and your commitment to Allah in times of ease, when things get harder, things get tougher, obviously you will have much better success results.